Tiban twe monat bulan twe bohal ba tlhoka mtlakase ke tsena ka black shudula mara e tletse base se phat tsore banyana ba ba bona re monare ish bona di hage di dilo tsetsa we ba etsang batho ba ba ya no lyrics khopela di lyrics tsa ga I don't believe the video lyrics tsa
What is up, lyrics? My name is Kanye Moss, Kanye the Katie Level Cuts. Ciao. The Kanye Bori. How are you, Bori?
ake shabu sister wena
I'm good, man.
ya khuluma ore ya talka
Ngabulela. Speaking Kimundebele.
omdeo
Yeah.
ba re nisha ba ga jeni ba re ipondra change wa
How do you know Ndebele? That's very rare, actually.
no ke tswa Pitori akere
Yeah.
and then kwa mhlanga yeah
Yeah, shout out to you. We're celebrating Foka today,
yes
right?
my boy yes more life more blessings right
Yeah.
you know we're from Pretoria we're representing
Yeah.
Pitori you understand so yeah I have to show up you know bona re honor ish bona di hage di dilo tsetsa we ba etsang batho ba ba
Can we get a drip check from all?
oh drip check
Yeah, drip check.
ke Mluizi and the sutu ke brawa ka Tshepo Mashile shout out to him you know wa itse ke wa Fostana wa bona wa
No,
itse
I understood the thing.
wa itse
Yeah.
wa itse khatienyana wa ntlela hane I know clean
Nah, clean, body. So, I need you to name 2 songs, right? That you're currently enjoying. Tafoka.
Tafoka
Yeah.
Tiban twe monat bulan twe bohal ba tlhoka mtlakase ke tsena ka black shudula mara e tletse base se phat tsore banyana ba ba 21 na ke sol ka ba pendula spectacular
Anything you'd like to say to Foka?
no man he's a wonderful guy man shout out to Foka very humble very hardworking when piano was starting because obviously he's coming from the hip hop but I want to movement the way and then you know we've been sharing ideas and look at us now man shout out to Foka happy birthday ntwana ya gago ncanya fucked up white ba pirara ya no lyrics khopela di lyrics tsa ga I don't believe the video lyrics tsa ga but yo shout out to ya no lyrics movement ba feta re pushing culture wa tsebo
Yeah, thank you.